Businesses with two GBPs, City A and City B, in the same county, would it be best to have two location pages? Well, yes, one for each city, and then make my homepage about the county and my brand. Yes, that's what I've been teaching guys for years now. No kidding. The homepage should be about the brand first and foremost. That's what the homepage should be for, guys. It's the fucking homepage of the branded website, right? It should be about the brand first and foremost, not keywords. It should be about the brand, right? You should optimize the homepage of any local business site for the brand first. And then, like I said, use that semantic triple statement, entity association statement. Who the business is, what they do, where they do it, in the broadest terms possible. This is our company. Lead with the brand. Always on the homepage of a local business website. Always lead with the brand. I can't stress that enough, guys. I don't understand why I still to this day do audits all the time where the brand name isn't even mentioned in the SEO title of the homepage of the site. That doesn't make any sense to me whatsoever. So anyways, yes, lead with the brand name. Then you're going to reference in the broadest terms possible what the company does, the products or the services that they provide, and then the broadest location entity in which all of the areas that they serve fall within or are contained within. Just go to Wikipedia, like I just showed you. Go figure out, like here, let's just demonstrate this with another one. Let's pick, I don't know, I'm just going to pick Fairfax, Virginia. Okay, I'm just going to use that as an example. So Fairfax, VA, Wikipedia. All right, so Fairfax, Virginia is a city that is located in Fairfax County, Virginia, which is a county that is located within the larger Washington metropolitan area, but that's a bigger region. There's also another region, and these are all different types of names for that region. There's also one called Northern Virginia, which is a smaller region than the Washington metropolitan area or region, if that makes sense. So that's going to be Northern Virginia, right? So this is the hierarchy here of locations, starting with the specific city, Fairfax, Virginia, the broader county, Fairfax County, Virginia, the broader region, Northern Virginia, a broader region yet, which includes Southern Maryland, Washington, D.C., and Northern Virginia, is the Washington metropolitan area, or what they call is Greater Washington or D.C. area, or DMV, which is D.C., Maryland, Virginia, etc. Does that make sense? So let's just say that it was a company that had two locations in Fairfax County. Again, you go to the county page, then you go down to communities. Here's all the cities, towns, census designated places, etc. Look at how many of them are in Fairfax County alone, right? So let's just say that there was two of them. One was in Fairfax City, and let's say one was in Lorton, Virginia. Okay, those are two separate cities in this Fairfax County, Virginia. Then I would optimize the homepage for Fairfax County. Now, if they went to another county that's also part of the Northern Virginia region, right? That's the Northern Virginia region. That's a very broad region. Let's get rid of that one. But Northern Virginia region, if you take a look at the, I don't know, where would it be? Demographics, maybe? No. Anyways, it talks about the counties that are part of the Northern Virginia region. Here we go, over here, right? So let's say Prince William, or let's use Loudoun County. Loudoun County is an example. So let's say that it was a local business that had one location in Fairfax County, let's say Fairfax City, and then it had another location, and let's just say Leesburg, right? I've got some lead gen assets in Leesburg. This is in Loudoun County, Virginia, so that's a different county. So then the homepage would be brand, whatever products or services that they provide, and the appropriate regional entity to reference in the homepage in that case would be Northern Virginia, because both of those cities are in different counties, but they're both of those cities and the counties that those cities are within, both of those counties are part of the Northern Virginia region. So now that's a true statement on the SEO title of the homepage. This is the company, this is what we do, and this is the region in which we provide our products or services. That's a true semantic triple entity association statement, which is what you want to do. Okay. Hopefully that's clear. Moving on.